Oh God, look at this. They got Series M1.
Oh, the original. Ooh, yeah.
I've never seen this before. Blue.
So it's a Series 7 fixture replacement.
This is weird.
Let's go to 9. Yep, 9. Chrome paneling. I love chrome panel.
Oh, for sure.
So not original, but still cool.
Yeah, it's nice regardless. You can check the machine room, might as well.
If you want.
Give it a look.
Go take a look. 9th floor chrome doors too. So it used to be Series 1s.
Yeah.
But now it's Series...
Series not ones.
Yeah, Series they call it
Jeez,
now
what'd
M2.
they do to the door here?
Somebody probably was being
Someone was angry.
Yeah.
Maybe they weren't happy with the mod.
I bet you the door's original.
Yeah, right. Would have liked to see these things in Series 1, but...
Yeah. Series 7/M2, that's what this actually is.
Yeah.
You're right, I was thinking